Alright, YouTube. As always, please like and subscribe. We're going to service a Miele Turbo nozzle. Turbo means there's a turbine driving this, as opposed to a power nozzle, which looks like this, which has electricity. So these really don't work at high altitude, but they do need to be serviced, cleaned, and lubricated regardless. I'm going to show you how you do that. It's best to use a coin. Actually, using a coin to do this is much better. Using a screwdriver, as you can strip these plastic screws. And parts of this are very similar to a Miele 217 or 213 service. Kind of cool. Service that. Like it's done. That rock's off. Clean that up. There'll be either a T10 or Phillips number 2s in here. I think everything alive on the market's probably a T10 now. They stopped using Phillips screws almost 20 years ago. Thank God. Grab ourselves a magnet tray. Always use a magnet tray or something to count up your screws. These screws in these nozzles, they get stuck. The hole in the size of the screw, or sometimes it's really a tight fit. I'm gonna wash this. This is for as you switch this back and forth to allow more airflow to make the brush spin faster. And we see the brush in here, and it floats for height adjustment, not unlike a Miele upright. And then we have 2 more screws, slightly smaller than the rest, but they're very easy to interchange. I'm not even sure you'd have a bad day if you interchange those. Screws, 6 screws. Here comes the fun part. Pull this out. You see the turbine, so as air spins through this little hole. Then the rest there, the suction just drive brush roller. So everything else just pops out of here. Interesting bushing designs. Again, these will need to be cleaned. There is one little guy who's not captive, and he's this thing. Full fiber washing. Clean everything else out. Pinch that. That part. There'll be a lot of stuff stuck in this. That's that. We are going to wash everything up here and come back. Time for reassembly of this STB-205. Alright. First thing we're going to do is finish cleaning the brush roller, which is still really dirty. but you can wash that motherfucker.
Wash that dirty.
Where your phone is?
Yeah.
Where your coffee cup is?
Yeah.
Don't want to see that stuff get full of stuff. Cause yo dog, I heard you like vacuum stuff.
What's that?
Yo dog, I heard you like vacuum stuff. So we put a vacuum mess in your vacuum.
Yo dog. I do. Learning from the best, Alex. Learning from the best. Oh.
Little thin belt.
Shit, is it over there by the... Look in the trash can.
Trying to my belt.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Yeah. On the kinetic.
Huh?
When you order the filters, do they come in a pack of 2 or 1? You don't order both of them.
So you have them in the system at 35, but they cost us 20.
No, they used to cost us like 15. Where are you ordering them from? That's good. Yeah, you need to go way at one. No, they were like 15. Footworker trashed the belt. So, thank you.
It smells like skunk. And the last occasion, that food sucks. It was expensive.
Welcome to Littleton.
Now, my dad used to live here when I was a kid. Him and my mom first got divorced, but I didn't like his girlfriend, so she was a stripper though. She never stripped for me, but I didn't like her.
I bet.
Watch this too, right?
Nope, just blow that out.
Wow, I got pieces everywhere. Wasn't Satan and Saddam Hussein gay in that movie?
Yeah, in a couple episodes, yeah.
I'm like, these fucking guys. Come on, Saddam. Yeah. Oh, that's funny.
You're being, I'm kind of recording a service video. It's part of service.
Alright. That sound like a chick gagging on your head.
Oh my word.
That when I was spraying that in there, it was going, I'm like, dang, I don't understand. That's familiar.
But no, you've been at work too long when?
When you start talking about sound and blowjobs, man.
In the sink. The sink, man. It's just the sink, dude. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to talk with April next time I see her. Ask her why she's not doing everything she needs to do for you, Tim. Alright. Despite the massive professionalism that's going on.
I'm going 3 espresso. I'm going home fucking juice.
Why are you doing that to yourself?
I don't know, because I don't... Like
Are you trying to have a heart attack?
No. I just don't like to go home and go right to sleep. And then I wake up at 2 in the morning and then I can't go back to bed.
Because you drink all those espressos.
No, if I don't get the espresso, I get home, I pass out at 7, and then I wake up at 2 in the morning, and then by the time I have to go to work, I want to go back to bed again. So I don't do
How
that.
many have you had today?
This is going to be my 3rd one.
3rd cup of 3 espresso shots?
No, 3rd cup of coffee and espresso. I had one this morning, and then I had one when I got back from lunch, and then here's my last one.
I'm just going to say probably not good lifestyle choices. And you're an adult.
I know.
Alright.
Well, I've made a lot of bad choices in my life.
Alright, as long as you understand it.
Yeah, Alex. I'm a bad choice now.
Plug
Should I go get all that shit? It's already 5:20.
it. Now you should, yeah.
Okay.
Careful the wasps out
Stack it
there.
up. There's wasps out there?
Yeah, nesting in that Panasonic vacuum.
Are you kidding?
Nope.
Well, thanks for the warning.
We're gonna get rid of it. That turbo head is back together. Of course, we must test it. Make sure it is functioning properly. Joy to the world. Time to clean it up. Some of our magic liquid. Going to make him as happy as Vinny the vacuum here.
Vinny the vacuum.
And that's how we service that. Please like and subscribe and share.